Today we're going to show you how they made the cold room locks. The cold room, special for cold room, from the beginning and to the end. So just follow me here, guys. So starting from here, this is materials made from the zinc and aluminum. So this is the material you give it under these machines. If you can just show you guys, this machine give too much pressures. It's like this is the it's like pretty very much heavy. So this materials put it inside these machines to comes the materials I will show you now. Let's see how it comes. Just very quick. It's like it comes like this here. It becomes like this here. It becomes very hot when it comes, and then it goes to here. But when it comes a lot of things like this. It's like not for ready, and there is a lady here or a woman's going to crack these down. So what she's doing is try to get this. This one is like it's very easy to take. I can show you now. It's like it's like getting. So we just. So just okay. So let's go to the next step. The next step, it comes to like this now. Very clean, but not that very clean. Now we need to polish it and make it much nicer. The next step is just to put some holes into the materials, so that make it easy to install. So we can see the guys here. He put this machine using these machines. See how it is working now. Yes, as we can see here, this is without any holes to install it, and here we can see it's like already done. So I will take you to the next step. The next step after that, they doing to polishing. So it's like, as we can see, it's very clean now, very shining, amazing. Okay, so let's go for the next step. After that, after polishing and make it like this beautiful shining locks, we're going to do the installation of the inside part. As we can see now, she installed it, and after that we're going to check how it is. Okay, it's okay. Just to show you for the safety locks from inside, this is what make the cold room doors more special. So this is the safety doors. This is the open. If the doors close from inside, it comes from this side. This is the panel, and this is the door, so it comes from this side. So you just need to push it, and the doors open from the inside. So as we can see here, this is the processing for the making it. And just to give you idea, here, this is at the night, or if the room is like even no lights inside, there is something called push, or this part or the green one is going to shining at the night. If there is no darks or no lights, still you can just see and you can push it. This is very important one. The last things or the last step we use in the cold room locks, especially for these cold rooms, is just to put it together for the shippings. This is the box, as we can see, for installation. I just want to show you how they make it now. So we put the locks, and then we put the safeties. All right, after we tested, and that is it, and it's ready now for shipping. Just to give you idea, we see how the process of making the hinges and locks. This is most of the hinges we process and we export from China to other worlds. So just to give you idea about these hinges used for the flat doors. So this is for flat doors. You can have a look here, and this as well for flat doors. I will show you the doors. This is the pictures for the doors, and this is as well. And this is, you know, this, I think I'm talking about the technician we use in the cold rooms. They saw this one. This one is like, it depends for the cold room sandwich panel. So it can goes for 50 millimeters, and this is as well, and this goes also bigger. See this one. I will show you the pictures now for that doors. So it goes like this. Yeah, we can see it's like different size, and this is as well here. And we have the big one here. This is for the large doors, and this is for the hinges. We also have this there is a hinges for small doors as well here. This hinges here for small parts, but I'm going to introduce you as well the hinges here. This is, you can see it in the KFC and the McDonald's use more. And this is the locks. And beside that, we saw the process of the most cold room doors that produce is this one. This one is made from zinc. We can see the open it. See, and this come with different colors. We have this one. This is beautiful actually. This one, and the most fashion one and more needed now is the black one now. As you can see here from inside. And this is the CVT doors, as I talked to you guys, like this come with the green colors. So if you are in the inside the rooms, you can open the rooms. And this one is made from the stainless steel. We can see here. And this is the CVT door, but it's also made from stainless steel as well. And we have also this one here for small used. And let me introduce you. Let me just give you introduce for these locks here. This is actually Korean, most use it, but it is pretty good using as well. It goes with this one together, and it goes also. This is for the CVT door from inside. This is the hinges as well for the plastic one. You know, this is the German hinges. The most invited is the German people, but now it's also very famous for the doors in China and export more from China as well. There is and this one has also hinges. I just give you these locks. The most doors we have, we exported with these locks. These locks, it's called Turkey locks, or it's like it's most made doors made from Turkey. This doors is very easy to use. So if you are inside, you can just push it and this can open. And from inside, from here, you can just lock it and you can open it. And it comes with this one here. So this one, it goes inside the rooms. It's like that, as I can see. And this one at the night is going to shining if someone inside or if someone looks inside for more safety. Just to give you idea, also we also have about the pressure released, and we can see here the other locks, and they give you idea. If you need any cold room hinges or if you need any doors, please contact me. I do my best to help you guys. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment, and peace.